Well, it arrived. This is a new toy for me, a Kenwood TS-990. We're going to unbox this thing here. So I'm going to put the phone here on the little stand. And I'm going to get a knife here. Let's take a look at how this thing came. This was the last TS-990 that was in stock with a main trading company, MTC Radio, in Paris, Texas. Let's see here, I get this thing out of here. The radio, by the way, weighs 70 pounds. So it's pretty heavy. Go. I like the little bit of string they use to tie it. It's a nice touch. Nicely packaged. That's a service manual and a half. All right, let's see here. We got in the box. We have all the accessory connectors. Cables, power cable, fuse. I won't actually need any of these, so I'm going to put these back in the box. All right, the radio. How do you suppose we should get this out of here? I think what we're going to do is we'll make use of one of the dog beds. And we're going to flip this thing over. That's how we're going to do it. Take it out upside down. There we go. Go. Wow, really nicely packaged. Okay, so I need to know which way is the front. Let's tilt this up. Okay, so this is the back. Set that over here. Take this off. Here's the front. Okay, so figure out how it comes out of this. I like to get it out without tearing it. Ooh. There we go. There's a September of 2024 build date, Kenwood TS-990. This is probably the last of the last batch that will be built. We'll put it up here on the bench. We'll turn it on, make sure it works. And then I'm going to take the covers off. And since I use Mars, I'm a Mars operator, I will do the Mars mod. And I'm also going to change the jumpers to remove the 20 dB attenuator on the main and subreceiver. So, let me get this up on the bench. Did I mention this radio weighs 70 pounds? And there's no handles. There we go. Let's raise the feet up on it. There we go. All right, let me get a power cord real quick. Got one sitting over here. We'll plug it in. Turn the power switch of the radio off. I'll turn the radio switch on. I'll move the camera where we can see everything better. Sorry for all the noises. Zoom in here. All right, here we go for first power on. Radio still. When the radio had no power, you plug it in, it takes it like 30 seconds for it to do like a initial boot. That's done. So now, if I hit the power button, see what firmware it's got on there. There we go. So let's go menu. Let's see here, clock, USB drive config. Advanced mode. Auto mode, clock reset. Here we go, advanced. Let's see here. About various software licensing. Software license agreement. I forget where. The firmware, to show what firmware version you're on is. Oh, I'll check that in a few minutes. Anyways, well, it does turn on. And there it is. Let's take a look at the serial number on this thing. What is the serial number? Maybe it's on the box over here. So I don't have to flip the radio around. Let's see. Serial number C476007. Now what that means is C is decades past 2010. So C is going to be, past 2000 is going to be 2000 C, C 2000, 2010 is B, 2000, how does it get to C? 24. So this is, it's basically 2024, 7th month. So it'll be July of 2024 is when this was built. So there we go. Oh, you know what? I hate these plastic films. So this is a pet peeve of mine. So we're going to take these plastic films off. There's the big screen. Let's do this one. There we go. Got the plastic films off. I don't know if I should keep them. I'll put them in the box. Maybe if I ever get rid of this radio or sell it, I might be able to put them back on, maybe for transport. So there's my new radio. I like it.